अमरीकी सदर ने ईरान से जल्द डील होने और जंग के खात्मे का इम्कान जाहिर कर दिया। सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने व्हाइट हाउस में तकरीब से खिताब में कहा कि ईरान से मुज़ाकरात में पेशरफ्त हुई है, तेहरान थक चुका है और शिद्दत से डील करना चाहता है। सदर ट्रंप ने ईरान को मजीद 2 से 3 रोज़ की महदूद मोहलत देते हुए खबरदार किया कि अगर मुआहदा न किया तो जुम्मा, हफ्ता इतवार या अगले हफ्ते के आगाज़ में हमले शुरू हो सकते हैं। अमरीकी सदर ने बावर कराया कि ईरान जौहरी हथियार बनाने के बारे में सोच रहा है, लेकिन उन्हें ऐसा करने नहीं देंगे। उम्मीद है कि हम ये जंग बहुत अच्छे अंदाज में मुकम्मल करेंगे।
We're going to end that war very quickly. They want to make a deal so badly. They're tired of this. Should have happened for 47 years. Somebody should have done something about it, and it's going to happen, and it's going to happen fast. We're going to have to make a little journey down to a place called Iran. We have to stop them. They have nuclear on their mind, and we're not going to let them have a nuclear weapon. And we've done a hell of a job, and I think we're going to be finished with that very quickly, and they won't have a nuclear weapon, and hopefully we're going to get it done in a very nice manner. So we have exciting things happening. I just want to leave by saying our country is so strong. Our military is the greatest in the world. You saw that with Venezuela. You see it now with Iran. We wiped out their Navy. The Navy is gone. The Air Force is gone. Their anti-aircraft is gone. All of their material that they use for warfare is gone. Just about everything is gone. I don't want to say their leaders are gone because it's not very nice, but that happens to be true.